Okay, so finally our Imperial Dragon has came.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this might be our best Beyblade yet. It is the Takara Tomy. It has the electric driver. It's a little bit damaged because it was off of eBay, but still, it looks really good. Okay, so the chip comes off of Imperial Dragon, and it is a GT Bay. And let's just get to the unboxing process.
I wonder what the battle would be, Imperial against Big Bang and Master Diablo. So those would be some close ones.
Okay, we now have Imperial Dragon's parts. So let's take him off of the cardboard.
By the way, this is Impossible Beyblade. They bought it. Unbreakable Beyblades is also helping with the video, though.
Okay, let's get the
Nice electric driver.
let's get the electric driver out.
Really hard.
This is strong plastic. So that was some tape. Put that over there. And I found a hole, so let's get his electric driver out. Oh wow, this feels really heavy.
Can you turn it on? Like, is there, see that button on the bottom, that red button?
Okay.
We got the driver on. See that green flash? And it's working and buzzing. Oh yeah.
Okay, now let's turn it off real quick. Now let's get Imperial Dragon's disc out.
Very cool.
Oh,
Nice and shiny.
and this is another really heavy disc, and it is super big. This is the biggest disc ever.
Oh yeah, that is super big.
Let's take the disc out. Here is Imperial Dragon's chip.
Really similar to Ace Dragon, it's just a lot cooler.
Let's put them back together. Now let's
At the bottom,
turn it on real quick. Oh, and it is buzzing, and it is
green lights on. Oh, that is so cool. Just so cool.
yeah. Now let's just okay. Now let's rip Imperial Dragon.
Oh, super cool. No, the driver's not on right now. But
Okay, and now let's rip the Imperial Dragon with his electric driver off first in the stadium. Let's put him on the ripper. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, he looks ginormous. This is like our biggest Beyblade yet. Looks like he has a lot of stamina. And he's looking really good. Let's now see him with his electric driver on. Okay. Turn his electric driver on. You just gotta pull that switch towards you. Like this. You hear that noise? That means it's on. Let's rip in 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Okay, let's see. Oh, and his electric driver is activated. Still has a lot of stamina and a lot of attack. Oh, and his attack was too much for the stadium. His attack made him go out. Ooh, you see that flashing? That means his driver is on. Let's turn it off to save battery for now. Okay, yeah. Now let's do some testing. First up, Imperial Dragon versus Galaxy Zootron. 3, 2, 1, let rip. Okay, now we got Imperial Dragon and Galaxy Zootron. Imperial Dragon's driver is off. Next battle is going to be Imperial Dragon versus Galaxy Zootron with Imperial Dragon's driver on. And even though his driver was off, he still dominates against Galaxy Zootron. Okay, Imperial Dragon's driver is on. 3, 2, 1, rip. And it has activated. Now it'll have a lot more attack. And he still dominates Galaxy Zootron. And we got Imperial Dragon versus Dread Bahamut. Imperial Dragon's gonna start with his driver off. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, Imperial Dragon's driver is off, and we got a burst today. Dread Bahamut burst, and Imperial Dragon is going to be now switching to driver on mode. Okay, Imperial Dragon's driver is on. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let's see if it will activate. And it has activated. Let's see if Imperial Dragon will still burst. Dread Bahamut, yes! Imperial Dragon still bursts. Dread Bahamut. Now we got Imperial Dragon with his driver off against Chozy Achilles. Let's go. Imperial Dragon's driver is off. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Be a close battle, but I think Imperial Dragon's still going to dominate like all the other Beyblades. Yup, Imperial Dragon still wins. Now try his driver on. Okay, Imperial Dragon's driver is on. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And it has activated. Oh, and Chozy Achilles wins even though Imperial Dragon's driver was on. Now let's do Glide Ragnarok. And we got Imperial Dragon with his driver off against Glide Ragnarok. This was my best Beyblade so far until it maybe changed to Imperial Dragon. Let's go! Imperial Dragon's driver is off. 3, 2, 1, rip! Imperial Dragon is so much bigger still, and Glide Ragnarok was my biggest Beyblade until I got Imperial. Close battle, but not close at all. And it looks like Imperial Dragon. And yes, Imperial Dragon wins without his driver on. Now let's turn the driver on. Imperial Dragon's driver is on. 3, 2, 1, rip! Oh! Even though Imperial Dragon is still going with the tip, Imperial Dragon does burst. And Glide Ragnarok wins. But I would still say Imperial Dragon's better. And let's see against Zui Longinus. Okay, Imperial Dragon driver is off facing Zui Longinus. 3, 2, 1, rip. Let's see who will win. This is going to be a close battle, it looks like. Imperial Dragon is still so much bigger. Imperial Dragon's driver is off. Oh, and I think Imperial Dragon won this. It was really close. Now let's see his driver on. Imperial Dragon driver is on. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, and Zui Longinus knocks Imperial Dragon into the hole. Make sure to subscribe to Unburstable Beyblades and Impossible Became Possible. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.